Now, during the GoPro launch event, they really talked about the capabilities of the image stabilization on the Hero 6 Black.
GoPro says the Hero 6 also boasts improved dynamic range, which basically refers to how much detail a camera's,
including nice professional ones like the GH5, just have excellent stabilization built in. And while I'm unhappy the Hero 6...
Now, one of the other new features that is kind of interesting is the ability to zoom. You can go to your field of view menu and you have a little...
You can also zoom now, sort of. Hero 6 Black has a linear slider now for digital zoom, though you cannot adjust it while you're recording.
But with the 6, it looks buttery smooth and stable. If these companies can keep developing their EIS and OIS better,
is to have more flexibility in post, which especially makes sense when matching it with other cameras. The internal over-sharpening.
This time around, there's less image cropping going on, only 5% down from 10 last time, and the camera stabilizes in more direct.
We watched the different 60 FPS versus 30 FPS, one slowed down half speed, and then the other at real time.
These rather than just looking at it dumbed down to 1080p. But the bottom line is that this camera has more 4K and better 4K, and what I'm also
just amazing. I can't praise it enough. This footage looks so much better than the previous gen, and it's, to me,
I filmed this. I used some footage in most of my vlogs, and I've actually moved when I need an actual quick track.
Is the color better? What is the real difference between these cameras?
Those videos were all made with one old GoPro 2 that could barely shoot in 720p. Hey guys, for those of you who have never visited my...
they're like, where are you heading today? And I'm like, oh my god, where am I heading? I have no idea.
You see, I'll go with the wind that blazes up. With the GoPro adapter is compatible, so you can use an external microphone with the new GoPro Hero 2018. GoPro stated that it wasn't compatible, but it...
You know, like cell phone age of a phone where you just simply go swipe left and right to be able to zoom into the image and record at that rate or take a picture at that particular...
The app, you just drag down from the top, it connects to the camera, and then it just downloads the latest footage you've got, which takes a little while. In my case, I think...
And this is where both the GoPros really come alive, is anything lower than 60 frames per second, it really smooths.
Some photo samples taken with both cameras. This photo was shot at Italy's oldest shopping mall and shows a good balance between...
And I think that was worth a big part of the price of admission alone. Even the stills has improved a lot. I mean, I definitely not going to take that many stills.
Japanese food.